Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G53, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this device. Now, before we get started, you'll need to grab a SIM eject tool which comes provided with the device in the box. It usually looks something similar to this, but if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. So once you have either one of those, you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the top left side of the device. So right over here. Push the pin in, and as you can see, the tray comes out ever so slightly. Using your fingernail, pull it out, and on the tray you have space for one SIM card and one SD card. So place the cards on the tray and then insert it back into your phone. The cards should start working right away, or after like a couple seconds of loading. So it's looking for reception, got roaming, or something. But as you can see, we do have a reception in general. Now let's see if we have anything about our SD card, and we do. SD card for whatever. So yeah, it detects an SD card as well. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.